Gibutyag ni Roseanne Cordoves, social worker sa Home for Girls and Women, ubos sa Department of Social Welfare and Development kung DSWD-11 nga padayon nagatabang ang pasilidad sa mga babaeng survivor sa pagpangabuso. Sumala ni Cordoves, 79 ka mga biktima ang giatiman sa Home for Girls and Women sa Maad, Davao City.
Who were survivors of different circumstances such as gender-based violence-related cases, sexual abuse, psychological abuse, emotional, and we also cater who were victims of circumstances, particularly our child or children in conflict with the laws.
Lakip sa giatiman o ginatabangan sa pasilidad ang Children in Conflict with the Laws kung CICL ng mga babae.
Now we also have survivors of exploitation, those who are also child at risk, we also cater. And the programs and services that we provide is a holistic home care together with the case management of the social workers.
Kumpleto sab ang team nga naa sa pasilidad aron maatiman ug mahatag yud ngadto sa mga biktima ang gikinahanglan nga mga suporta. Gisiguro sab nila Cordoves nga mapadayon ang pagtuon sa mga biktima samtang ana sulod sa pasilidad.
Composed of multidisciplinary teams, we have home life services, our house parents that provide substitute parental care. So they serve as the parents of our residents who are temporarily sheltered in our care. We also have social workers. I am one of the social workers. We have our psychologists for the psychological services. We also have our nurses and our partner doctor in the medical field, and our education focal, ensuring that education still continues while they are in the temporary shelter.
Gipaningkamutan nila Cordoves nga matabangan nga makabarog balik ang mga biktima sa pagpangabuso aron mabalik sab ang ilang kumpiyansa sa kaugalingon. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline Philippines. Stay safe.